First things first, Erin would kill me if she knew I showed you this picture of the attic before we went in and started cleaning it up. There it is. It's a lot better. The whole point is to put our office on this end of the attic. Just like everybody, we have stuff piled up. But once we start to clean it out, it does actually start to work. There we've got a table with all of our beef jerky. Our mail stuff is right there. This is stuff that I'm getting ready to send out. I've got letters to do. I've got stickers to send. I've got t-shirts that need to go out. It's just a never-ending thing. Patreon supporters, thank you very much. And of course, all your stuff is on the way. Beef jerky is also ready to go out from our live stream where we're doing our beef jerky test so people can get a chance to try the beef jerky that we're going to be selling on our website eventually once we get all that taken care of. So as we sit down and write some letters, and a little hand-signed, handwritten letter goes out with everything that we send out, and it goes in the outgoing mail. That's pretty much it. I've been doing that off and on all day as I've been running back and forth, and the view is excellent, so you can't beat that. Thanks for watching, guys.